CRCL stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Currently sitting at $76.75. I'm very open-minded and looking to take it further up. Why did I say this? Well, maybe because I am the only guy in this space with 41,000 videos made, and it's taken me freaking 5 years to come to this point. Yes, 5 years, and you can check out all of my videos on my YouTube channel. All of them. Don't have that much data, but even with the limited amount of data that I have with Circle Internet Group, I mean, I can tell you that I'm open-minded for longs. And just leave it there, like, because the only thing that will make me really buy this sort of market here is a proper pull-up. Now, I'm saying this, like a double break, right, sort of way. And if I don't see that happening, there's no power behind it, then I'm obviously not going to be buying. Even with this limited amount of data, this is more mainly for tomorrow if we don't get pop or whatever, but I'm just saying how I'm looking at things. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, then get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.